On 20th April 2022, Teres house at Jalan Pinang was set on fire about 2000 hours. After reporting, the crime was categorized as arson. Before firefighters were able to put out the fire, it was completely destroyed the victim's home and damaged houses nearby. The actual cause of the fire remained unknown. However, owing to the fire pattern left on the surfaces, it was thought that some type of the fire accelerant was extinguished onto the surfaces at the specific residence where the fire started. Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy, or FTIR, is used to examine specimens, both to detect the presence of target compounds and to measure the quantities of the compounds. Gas chromatography mass spectrometry, or GCMS, is considered the gold standard in forensic trace evidence analysis because of its ability to chromatographically separate and analyze components in mixtures. A glass bottle of unknown clear liquid with distinct smell found at crime scene was analyzed by FTIR. From the IR spectrum of these two figures, we can identify that functional groups present in the unknown sample are ester, alkene, alkane, and aliphatic alcohol. There's a high possibility that the unknown sample is a petroleum-based product because the presence of the functional groups mentioned. Further analysis via GCMS is required. Chromatogram on the left found out that several major components in turpentine, namely mesitylene, 1,4-diethylbenzene, orthymine, 1,2,3,4-tetramethylbenzene, 1-ethyl-3,5-dimethylbenzene, 5-hydroxymethylfurfural, and diallose. While on the right chromatogram of semi-burned wood in Hexan that analyzed 6 major components in turpentine which have 4-ethyl-1,2-dimethylbenzene and other similar components mentioned. This implies the presence of traces of the turpentine is the fire accelerant used. The comparison between our GCMS analysis with reference, we found that the results were similar with a high percentage of components containing aromatic hydrocarbons and only minor amounts of aliphatic hydrocarbon. Because of the high amount of aliphatic hydrocarbons in these petroleum-based products, gasoline, diesel, kerosene are eliminated.
Through FTIR and GCMS analysis, we are able to know the component in the sample is mineral turpentine. Where turpentine contains size quantity of aliphatic hydrocarbons, the unknown sample contains OCM as an indicator for the presence of turpentine oil. The results show this unknown accelerant found in glass bottle and semi-burned wood sample was matched, as there are almost similar component present. From FTIR analysis, we can deduce that the unknown sample is petroleum-based product. For GCMS analysis, 6 major compounds were found in turpentine, and together with the OCM, we can conclude that the unknown sample is turpentine in this Arson case.